Hi, I'm Tim with True Green. Today we're talking about how to fertilize your lawn so it stays green, healthy, and strong. Fertilizer is one of the most important steps in lawn care. It feeds your grass the nutrients it needs to grow thick and lush. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what tools you need, how to choose the right fertilizer, when and how often to fertilize your lawn, and some common mistakes to avoid. First, let's cover the basics. You'll need a spreader, a broadcast spreader, which throws fertilizer out in a wide pattern and is great for larger yards. Always follow the safety instructions for the product you're using and make sure you have the right protective gear like gloves and eye protection. You'll also want a way to measure your lawn so you know how much product to use. A tape measure, notepad, or even a smartphone app works fine. When people ask me how to know what fertilizer to use on their lawn, I always recommend start with the basics. Fertilizer has 3 key nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen gives you that deep green color and fuels new leaf growth. Phosphorus helps roots grow, and potassium builds overall strength. Depending on your grass type, soil type, and the season, your lawn may need micronutrients for optimal health. And keep in mind, some fertilizers may contain other ingredients like weed or insect control, so always check the bag and know what you're applying. Next, let's talk about how to apply lawn fertilizer the right way. Step 1 is calibrating your spreader. Every bag of fertilizer has instructions that tell you the correct setting. Don't skip this step or you'll risk over or underfeeding your grass. When you fill the spreader, don't overfill. Spills can burn your lawn and waste product. Then, walk at a steady pace. Overlap your passes just a little bit so you don't end up with light and dark stripes. A good tip with a broadcast spreader is for the product to hit the tire marks from your previous pass. Don't fertilize right up against storm drains or waterways. Keep the nutrients on the lawn, where they belong. One of the biggest questions I hear is how often to fertilize your lawn. The answer depends on your grass type and where you live. For cool season grasses like tall fescue or Kentucky bluegrass, spring and fall are the best times to fertilize. For warm season grasses like Bermuda or zoysia, late spring through summer is your window. If you fertilize at the wrong time, you could waste product or even burn your lawn, so timing really matters. Of course, you can do all this yourself, but a lot of people prefer to leave it to the pros. At True Green, we know the exact timing for your region and grass type, and we tailor our recipes to make sure they contain the nutrients each lawn needs to thrive. We use professional-grade equipment that's already calibrated, and we handle the products so you don't have to. Plus, you don't have to buy, store, or mess with bags of fertilizer. So whether you're a weekend DIYer or you'd rather save time and effort, we've got you covered. If you ever decide you'd rather let the experts handle it, give us a call at True Green. We'll make sure your lawn gets exactly what it needs when it needs it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now for more lawn care advice.